This is going to be the new hallway. That's still got to come down. It's underneath. That's going to be the new kitchen window. That's the state of the front garden. That's going to be the new kitchen bit. That bit's still got to come down. That's the underneath. That's where the boys' bedroom was. That's the state of the garden. It's raining. You see the old house and the new house now. That's going to be the new living room. Inside the new living room. That's the new wall. I've had a tidy up since last time we were here.